doors, positioning Somalia as a key player in regional trade and investment. For investors, this means unparalleled access to both East Africa and international markets, making Somalia the national hub for agriculture, for agribusiness in the Horn of Africa. Consider our thriving sesame production, already one of our leading exports. With improved irrigation systems and modern farming techniques, we can double these yields, creating new opportunities for local farmers and international investors alike, let alone the traditional banana and livestock production and export. By investing in better storage, transportation, and processing facilities, we will transform raw agricultural output into a high-value exports, unlocking greater profitability for all stakeholders involved. In today's interconnected world, location as critical as resources. With over 3,300 kilometers of coastline and a strategic position at the intersection of major global shipping routes, Somalia offers unmatched access to international markets. Whether you are targeting the booming economies of Asia, the increasing demand in Europe, or the expanding markets in the Middle East and East Africa, Somalia's geographic advantage makes it an ideal logistical hub for agricultural exports. Somalia's integration into regional economic bodies such as the East African Community further strengthens our position in the global marketplace. The opportunities that the Africa today is portraying, which Somalia can play a major lead, like the African Continental Free Trade Zone and Agenda 2063 of Africa. This partnership facilitates the movement of goods, labor, and services, ensuring that Somalia remains at the heart of regional trade dynamics. Furthermore, our advanced stage of accession to the World Trade Organization, which we are expecting Somalia to access soon, will streamline international trade and bolster our global market presences in the near future. Our strategic location is already delivering tangible results in sectors like fisheries, where export to Europe and Middle Eastern markets have been exponentially growing. With focused investment and strategic planning, similar growth is achievable within our agricultural sector. Ports like Kismayo, Berbera, and Mogadishu are ready to serve as vital trade hubs, ensuring Somalia's agricultural products such as global markets swiftly and efficiently. However, the true strength of Somalia lies in its people. Our population is young, dynamic, and eager to embrace innovation. We are not resistant to the innovation. Over 70% of Somalis are under the age of 30 years old, representing a vast pool of talent ready to contribute to the agricultural revolution that's now taking place in Somalia and taking shape as well. The government has already created an enabling environment through investment-friendly laws such as the Investors and the Investment Protection Law, which ensures that both foreign and domestic investments are secured by the law. This legal framework is further complemented by our ongoing efforts to improve security, infrastructure, and access to finance, making Somalia an increasingly attractive destination for investment. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, The opportunity before us today in Somalia is clear. What we need now are partners, visionaries, who can look beyond the past and see the enormous potentiality of Somalia in the future. As President, I stand here in front of you to assure you that my government is fully committed to work with international investors to unlock this potential. We are ready to facilitate your entry into our market, to provide the support you need, and to ensure that your investments are not only profitable, but also sustainable. Benefiting both the people of Somalia and the world at large. Together, we can build a future where Somalia is not merely a participant in the global agricultural economy, but a leader feeding not just our nation, but the region and beyond. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time this is the time to invest in Somalia's agricultural value chains. Together, we can unlock a brighter, more prosperous future for all of us. Again, I would like to congratulate the Minister of Agriculture and Irrigation, and I would like to appreciate the role and the support that has been played as a partner by the European Union, and we're looking forward many other investment get together. As the World Bank has stated right now here, we will be we will have many more opportunities to get together and to prove that Somalia has moved and turned around the corner. What we want is a Somalia at peace itself and at peace with the rest of the world, and that can only happen when there is no poverty in Somalia and in the region as well. Somalia is going to play a major role in the Horn of Africa Economic Initiative, which we hope soon to be unlocked throughout the region. I thank you.